This is my outfit for the day, by the way. It says, I am not a walk-in logo. This is from Zara and it's so comfortable. It's like PJ material and I can totally sleep in this. So, quick OOTD update. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today will be another Taobao haul, which I believe is like the 5th or the 6th or the 7th Taobao haul on my channel. So that shows how much I love Taobao. Most of the items today are the items that I got during the 11.11, which is the Singles Day sale. In Chinese, they call it 双十一. So most of these items that I got, I managed to get them under discount, which is amazing. So let's get started on today's video. Okay, so as usual, I will be starting with the items that are like smaller first, which will be the accessory items. Okay, so the first item, which will be like this box of accessories. By the way, this is just part 1 of my 11.11 Taobao haul. Part 2 is still on the way to Singapore, probably on some cargo ship right now. So this is like a box of accessories that I bought, and there's this like note from the seller. This is just a freebie for me to tie my hair, and they actually like to throw in this type of freebies all the time. So the first item that I bought is actually this necklace, which is very trendy nowadays. I see so many like different shops selling, including like in Singapore we have Charles and Keith like selling this type of necklace. So this is really trendy nowadays. I will insert a photo over here in case if you guys want to see how it actually looks when you wear it. And the quality looks really nice also. The only thing that I hope for is that the gold will not fade or will not like get rusty or whatever, because it's not very expensive. I don't hope for an excellent material, but other than that, I think it looks really minimalistic and I think it's really nice. So I can't wait to wear this. Okay, moving on to the next item, which is a pair of earrings. So this is very simple earring, which is excellent for nowadays because we have to wear masks, so I don't want to like wear very dangling earring like what I mentioned in my previous video. So I'll also include a photo over here to show you guys how it looks like. Okay, then the last item from this box is also a pair of earring. So this is how it looks. It's like really simple, and I'll probably like match this with a plain top to really show the beauty of this earring. Okay, so moving on will be this bag of, no idea what I bought. Actually, I can't remember. So I bought like some scrunchies. Oh, it matches my shirt. Okay, I'll just wear this. So extra. Actually bought like 2 or 3 of them. So this is in rose gold, this is in champagne, and this is in navy blue. So these are just random scrunchies that I bought this time around for me to tie my hair. So like today, I think I can match the blue one. Okay, just let me try. Wow, it matches my outfit so well. Okay, look at this. Oh, so beautiful. I love it. What do you guys think? Okay, amazing. Let's move on to the next item. So like I bought a bunch of like random clips. I've been very into hair clips recently, so this is how it looks like. Obviously, I only have one head and there are only so many clips that I can wear in one day or at one time. So probably I'll share this with my friends and, you know, spread the love. So this is how it looks like. Oh, I love all of them. They're all so beautiful. Okay, so let's move on to the next item. Okay, the next item that I bought is this straw hat or cap. I actually bought this for my cruise. So it says greetings from, I will be going to the cruise to nowhere. So it will be greetings from nowhere. I don't want to spoil my bun, so I'm not going to wear it. Anyway, I actually have something similar to this, which I bought for my Australia road trip like 2 years ago. But it's not as big as this, and I thought I need something bigger because it looks nicer on photo, I guess. So I just bought this from Taobao, and it turns out to be pretty nice, I guess. It's like exactly what I imagined. There's no color difference, there's no disappointment or whatsoever. So I'm pretty satisfied with this purchase, and I can't wait to bring this to my cruise. Next item is a straw bag that I bought for my cruise as well. So I'll be going to cruise the 2nd week of December, and also from the same seller, they actually gave me this scarf, which looks like this. And the purpose of this is for me like to tie this on the bag so that it looks more sophisticated or more classy, I guess. Okay, let me try to tie this on the bag. I'm totally not an artistic person, so let's see how it goes. I think I can just tie it like randomly, it will still look very nice. So I just randomly tie a knot and it instantly added so much beauty to the bag. Okay, I can also wrap this around the handle. So actually there are many different ways that you can choose to tie this around your bag, which I think is an amazing idea, because like the bag like this by itself is nice, but it's just very simple and plain. And if your outfit is also very plain, then there's not much wow factor to your outfit. So if you want to look more fancy and more put together, I would definitely recommend like adding a scarf to your bag, which is also very trendy nowadays. So you can definitely try this idea. Okay, this looks so much better compared to just now. So I will still go and figure out like how or what is the right way to tie this, and I'll probably like share it on my Instagram. So remember to go and follow my Instagram. And let's move on to the next item. So the next 3 items are actually PJs that I bought from Taobao. I'm not sure if you guys watched my previous Taobao haul. I actually bought like 2 PJ during my previous or like the previous Taobao haul, and the quality of the pajamas is really amazing. It put me to sleep instantly, like in 5 seconds. Okay, I'm just exaggerating, but the quality of the pajamas is really amazing and it's just so comfortable, and it's really like 100% cotton. The thing is, it's so affordable, and even if you were to buy it in Singapore, I believe they probably like import from Taobao also, so might as well just buy it from Taobao. Okay, anyway, so this is the first one that I bought, which is a cat. And what does it say? It says, "It's all good." Yeah, so this is the first one that I bought. Anyway, like for pajamas, I usually like to go for something cute. No idea why. The next one is also a PJ. This one has a duck. So this is the design of the second pajamas, and it's in this jade green color, which is also pretty nice, and the material is really good. So love it. And the last piece of pajamas is in pink. Of course, my favorite color. Okay, not my favorite color. My default PJ color is pink. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Actually, I can't remember what is the design that I chose. Okay, so this is how it looks like. There's a panda in the center, and that's how it looks at the bottom, which is pretty cute, I guess. This is my favorite among the 3 because it's my favorite color, like I mentioned, for PJ, of course. So yeah, can't wait to wear them. I'll probably like keep one for Chinese New Year since Chinese New Year is coming. So yeah, let's move on to the next item. Is this? I believe this is a skirt. I'm gonna match this with the black cardigan top that I bought from Taobao the previous time, or during like my previous haul. So this is how it looks like. It's just a very simple checkered skirt. It will go well with like pretty much any outfit, I guess, like especially those like plain top, just one simple color. And I just think that it's really nice, and I hope I'm able to fit. Yeah, I should be able to fit. As usual, I will be including a photo over here so you guys can see how it looks like on the model. The next item, actually the last 2 items. So today's Taobao haul is really quick because this is part 1 of my 11.11 Taobao haul. The next item is this toga crop top, and it looks like this. Okay, as usual, I'll be including photos at the side so that you guys can see how it looks like. Previously, I bought this in the black color, and I've already wore it and I've posted my OOTD on Instagram. So this is how it looks like when I wear it, and I think it's really nice, and the cutting fits me perfectly well. And actually, I can't remember what size is this. Probably like S or free size. So after I wore that top that day, I think it's so beautiful, and this is so affordable. It's like barely 4 or 5 Sing dollar. So I decided to buy another one, and there are quite a few colors to choose from, but I decided to go with the colorful striped one because I realized that my wardrobe looks very dull nowadays. Like I've been buying a lot of like white color clothes, black color clothes, and just like very neutral color clothes, and I decided to go with something more fun and colorful, which is why I decided to choose like this rainbow color. And to be honest, I think there's a color difference. In the photo, it doesn't look exactly like this, but when I saw it the first time, which was like last night I got a shock and I was telling Sean, what is this? There's a color difference to it. But okay lah, it looks pretty nice on the camera, so I hope it will look good on me in real life. Moving on to the last item. So this is the next top that I bought, which is also a crop top, and obviously it's in purple. So this stripe is actually really thin, and I hope it doesn't break. Also, it's more cropped than I thought, and in front it looks like this, which is also very trendy nowadays. If you've been following like the whole Editor's Market or like the whole Singapore local blog shop trend, this is very trendy this year, no idea why, and I saw it from Taobao, so I decided to buy it. Usually I don't go for purple color clothes because I'm pretty tan, but for this purple I think I'm able to pull it off, hopefully. So yeah, that's how it looks like, and I think I'm pretty satisfied with this because it's not very expensive and the quality is pretty good. It's pretty thick. It's better than what I've expected, like much better compared to this, because there's a color difference to this, and okay lah, but I'm not satisfied with this purchase, if it makes sense. Okay, so yep, that concludes all the things that I bought for, okay, not all, that concludes part 1 of my 11.11 Taobao haul. So as I mentioned just now, part 2 is still on the way to Singapore, and I hope to receive them probably like soon. But even if I receive them, I will probably record the video after I'm back from my cruise, which will be like mid-December. So that video will be up slightly later compared to like this, and I'll try to get this video up ASAP. And that concludes this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Usually I don't say that on my channel, but whatever. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!